Welcome again, friends. दोस्तों, as in the previous session we have discussed the volume of cube and cuboid. हमने ये सीखा through the animation what is the volume of cube and what is the volume of cuboid. As you have read, volume of cube is side cube or a cube. You have read it, or you can write L cube also if the measure of one side of cube is L unit or A unit. So volume of cube is equals to A cube or L cube. We have also read that what is the volume of cuboid, and you know that in the cuboid there is length, breadth and height. So the volume of cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height. So these discussion of the formulas of this is, I came here with the examples. See here, the example number 11 is given of your textbook, which is NCERT textbook. In this it is given, a wall of length 10 meter was to be built across in an open ground. The height of wall is 4 meter and thickness is 24 centimeter. Height is 24 meter and thickness is given 24 centimeter. If this wall is to be built up with the bricks whose dimensions are 24 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 8 centimeter, then how many bricks would be required? Means the measures of this wall is given. Measures of this wall is given, so we need to find out the volume of this wall, and afterwards in this wall, to make this wall, how many bricks are required, this we have to find out. So the dimension of the wall is given. See in the solution of this question, in the solution of it, given that dimension of wall, P, what? Length is 10 meter, breadth is 24 centimeter and height is given 4 meter. So in this length, breadth and height as it is given, so length is in meter, breadth is in centimeter, which is thickness, and height is in meter. तो हम क्या करते हैं, इन सभी यूनिट्स को, लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट सबको एक सेम यूनिट में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. So this, as you know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So length can be written as meter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 10 meter is equals to 1000 centimeter by 24 centimeter. Isko no need to convert it because it is already in centimeter. This is 4 meter, can be written as 400 centimeter. Why? Because you know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Right friends? चलो, now we need to find out the volume of this wall. अभी हम क्या करते हैं, पहले wall का volume find ही कर लेते हैं. And the wall is in the shape of cuboid, so therefore volume of wall is equals to volume of wall equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Length is 1000 centimeter by breadth is 24 centimeter and height is 400 centimeter. So therefore multiply it, you will get 2 plus 3 50, 1 2 3 4 50 and 24 multiplied by 4, 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8 1 9 cubic centimeter. It is the volume of wall, and in this wall we are going to make it with the help of bricks. Right? Now it is given, this wall is to be built up with the bricks whose dimensions are given, जिसका length, breadth और height दिया गया है. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, we need to find out the volume of one brick. एक brick का volume find करने के बाद then we can easily find out the number of bricks can be kept there in the wall. Means that wall is built by the how many bricks, this we can find it easily. So as the dimension of the bricks is given, so we can find out, bricks is given, length is 24 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. So volume of bricks easily we can find it. It is in the shape of cuboid. Length into breadth into height is given. Now we need to find out the volume of one brick. So volume of one brick, length is 24 centimeter into breadth is 12 centimeter into height is 8 centimeter. So let's multiply all. We will get 12 4s are 48, 12 2s are 24 plus 24 plus 4 is 28, 288 multiplied by 8 cubic centimeter. Right friends, this we can multiply. 8 8 is 64, 8 8 is 64 plus 6, 64 plus 6 is 70, 8 2 is 16 plus 7 is 23, 2304 cubic centimeter is the volume of one brick, right? Now we are going to find out the number of bricks. How many bricks would be required to make this wall? So therefore number of bricks would be required for wall is equals to number of bricks required for wall is equals to volume of wall divided by volume of one brick, right friends? So let's volume of wall, you have 96000 and 0 divided by, and volume of one brick is 304 bricks. Let's simplify it. इसको simplify करते हैं by 4 we can say. So 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16 and 50 divided by 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28 and 4 6 are 24. Again divided by 4, 4 6 are 24, 50 divided by 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and 4 4s are 16. By 6 we can divide. 6 1s are 6, 50, 6 2s are 12 and 6 4s are 24. Now by 4 again we can divide. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 30, 4 6 are 24. Divided by 6, we will get the number of bricks. 6 4s are 24, 1 is remaining, 6 1s are 6, 4 is remaining, 6 6 are 36, 4 is remaining, 6 6 are 36.6 bricks. Therefore, which can be written as approximately 4167 bricks are required to make such walls. So, I think दोस्तों आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया होगा. इस वॉल में कितने ब्रिक्स लगेंगे एंड द डायमेंशन ऑफ वॉल एज वेल एज द डायमेंशन ऑफ ब्रिक्स इज गिवन. तो अभी इसमें हमने क्या किया, पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉल. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉल फाइंड कर लिया एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन ब्रिक हमें नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स फाइंड करना था. सो नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स इज इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ होल वॉल डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन ब्रिक. डिवाइड किया, सो वी गॉट आवर आंसर 4167 bricks are required to make that wall. Right friends, this is not the problematic, and volume of cuboid because wall is in the shape of cuboid and brick is also is there in the shape of cuboid. और आपको volume of cuboid का formula already discuss किया जा चुका है in our previous lecture. Volume of cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height. Right friends? So let's see the example number 12. In this it is given that a child is playing with building blocks. That building blocks is in the shape of, which are in the shape of cube, and he has built a structure as shown in the figure. From the figure it is clear that what structure he has given with those building blocks. If the age of each cube is 3 cm, then find the volume of structure built by the child. So dear friends, to find out the volume of this structure, from the figure it is clear that how many cubes are used to make that structure. So in this 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14 and plus 1 is 15 cubes are used to make such structures. So therefore in the solution of this question, to make this structure, child used 15 cubes, means there in this figure there are 15 cubes in this structure. Now it is asking find the volume of structure. To find the volume of this structure, we need to find out the volume of 1 cube first of all, because information of 1 cube is given. After getting the volume of 1 cube, we should multiply it by 15 because there are 15 such cubes. So we can get the volume of structure easily. Okay, so let's find the volume of 1 cube. Since age of cube is given, age of cube is given 3 centimeter. So the volume of 1 cube, therefore okay, as age of cube is 3 centimeter, so let's find out the volume of 1 cube. So volume of 1 cube is equals to, formula you know that, a cube, and the value of a is given 3 centimeter. Therefore 3 cube cubic centimeter. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 cubic centimeter is the volume of 1 cube. Now in the structure it is clear that there are 15 cubes. So the volume of a structure is equals to, therefore volume of structure equals to number of cubes are 15 multiplied by volume of 1 cube, right? So 15 multiplied by 27 cubic centimeter, multiply it, 15 sevens are 105, carry 10, 15 twos are 30 plus 10 is 40, 405 cubic centimeter is our required answer. Means this is the volume of structure built by that child. So dear friends, this type of question now you are able to solve very easily. So you have to be careful, read the question carefully, see the figure. If figure is not there, if you are able to draw the figure, afterwards you have to solve it. Right friends, तो हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे, पहले हमने एक क्यूब का वॉल्यूम फाइंड किया और एक क्यूब का वॉल्यूम फाइंड करने के बाद एज इट वाज आस्किंग द वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, तो हमने ये देखा स्ट्रक्चर में क्यूब कितने लगे हुए हैं। सो हम क्या पाए, वी गॉट इट देयर आर 15 सच क्यूब्स, 15 क्यूब्स वर देयर। तो हमने स्ट्रक्चर का वॉल्यूम फाइंड करने के लिए इस वॉल्यूम में 15 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। सो वी गॉट आवर आंसर विच इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर इज 405 cubic centimeter. Right friends? Okay friends, after discussing the examples of this topic volume of cube and cuboid, I came on the exercise 13.5. Let's discuss the first question of this exercise. In this it is very easy because based on this the example we have already discussed. Question is saying a matchbox measures 4 cm by 2.5 cm by 1.5 cm, means length is 4 cm, breadth is 2.5 cm और height उसका 1.5 cm दिया गया है। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, then question is asking what will be the volume of packet. हमें एक पैकेट का वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना और उस पैकेट में दैट कंटेनिंग 12 सच बॉक्सेस, उसमें 12 बॉक्सेस रखे गए हैं। तो सिमिलरली अभी जैसे हमने एग्जांपल नंबर 12 डिस्कस किया, सेम एज यहाँ पर भी हम पहले तो हम एक मैच बॉक्स का वॉल्यूम फाइंड कर लेंगे। आफ्टर गेटिंग द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन मैच बॉक्स वी कैन गेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस पैकेट कंटेनिंग सच बॉक्स। हम क्या करेंगे, पहले एक मैच बॉक्स का वॉल्यूम फाइंड करेंगे और आफ्टर गेटिंग द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन मैच बॉक्स हम उसमें 12 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। सो वी विल गेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ होल पैकेट बिकॉज दैट पैकेट कंटेनिंग 12 सच बॉक्सेस। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन आपका बहुत ही ईजी है क्योंकि इस पे डिपेंडेंट हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर चुके हैं। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन। सो लेट सिंस in the solution of this question dimensions of boxes are given. So for dimensions of matchbox are given. Length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2.5 centimeter and height is 1.5 centimeter. So let us find out the volume of one matchbox. Therefore volume of one matchbox is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So we need to multiply it 4 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 25 4 जाते 4 5 जा 20, 4 2 जा 8 to 10 multiplied by 1.5 cubic centimeter. Therefore which can be written as 15 cubic centimeter when you multiply 10 into 1.5. This is the volume of one matchbox. As this volume of packet is equals to so the volume of packet is equals to 12 multiplied by volume of one box. Volume of one matchbox. Why we have multiplied it by 12? Because in that packet there are 12 such boxes. Multiply it, 12 multiplied by 15 cubic centimeter. Multiply करते हैं, 15 2 जा 30, 15 1 जा 15, 3 18, 180 cubic centimeter is our required answer. Therefore the volume of that packet is 180 cubic centimeter and that packet containing 12 such boxes. So दोस्तों, आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में कोई डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं हो रही होगी। इस एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस को, दिस मीन्स एक्सरसाइज 13.5 के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कीजिएगा। कोई डिफ़िकल्टी होती है सो इन द चैट बॉक्स यू कैन comment your question, your problem. We have to solve it. Right? Okay, friends, see the second sum of this exercise. In this, it is given that a cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 4.5 meter deep. That cuboidal tank of length 6 meter, breadth 5 meter, and height 4.5 meter. How many liters of water can it hold? So simply इसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड कर लेंगे. आफ्टर गेटिंग द वॉल्यूम, दैट वॉल्यूम विल बी इन मीटर क्यूब. उसको हमें लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. सो फॉर्मूला इज गिवन हियर. 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 लीटर. तो मीटर क्यूब को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 1000 से सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमें लीटर में मालूम हो जाएगा उसकी वॉल्यूम. सो द डायमेंशन ऑफ वाटर टैंक इज इक्वल्स टू dimension of water tank is length is given 6 meter, breadth is given 5 meter, and deep is given, means height is given 4.5 meter. So let's find out the volume of water tank. So the volume of water tank is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, which is equals to 6 meter multiplied by 5 meter into 4.5 meter. So let's multiply. 5 6 are 30 multiplied by 4.5 cubic मीटर. अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. दिस जीरो इज कैंसल्ड, मीन्स 45 3 जा 3 5 जा 14 15 3 4 जा 12 113 135 क्यूबिक मीटर. मीन्स उस क्यूबॉइडल टैंक का वॉल्यूम आ गया 135 मीटर क्यूब. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग इन दैट टैंक कितने लीटर पानी आएगा. तो इस वॉल्यूम को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला आपको दिया गया है. सिंस 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 लीटर, देयरफॉर दिस वॉल्यूम कैन बी रिटन एज 135 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1000. अभी हम इसको लीटर में लिखेंगे और फॉर्मूला शो कर देंगे. सिंस 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 लीटर, सो इट बिकम्स 135000 means 1,35,000 liter water this cuboidal tank can hold. So the answer of this question will be what? This cuboidal tank can hold 1,35,000 liter water. So cuboidal tank can hold 1,35,000 liter water. राइट फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन इजी था. रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस को आप सॉल्व कीजिएगा. जो डिफिकल्टी होगी उसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे. वंस अगेन जस्ट सी, इसका वॉल्यूम हमने फाइंड किया, वो भी मीटर क्यूब में आया. दैट इज 135 मीटर क्यूब. एज लेंथ वाज 6 मीटर, ब्रेड्थ 5 मीटर, एंड हाइट इज 4.5 मीटर. सो वॉल्यूम केम 135 मीटर क्यूब. क्वेश्चन वाज आस्किंग हाउ मेनी लीटर ऑफ वाटर कैन इट होल्ड. इसको लीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 लीटर. So this 135 meter cube can be written as 135 multiplied by 1000 liter, since 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. So we got 1,35,000 liter water this cuboidal tank can hold, right?